Okay, so I've made a simple little setup to show how we could have a sequence of appearing and disappearing platforms. I think this is roughly the idea that you was talking about, where it turns red and then disappears, and the next one appears. So I've got it running just like this, but it's very easy to change the sequence to however you'd like and have the behavior however you like. I'm just really doing this to show you the sequence, how to set this up. Let's look at the script, first of all, let's look at how it's laid out. So I've got a model with the platforms in it, and I've just put the script in there. It doesn't have to be in this. We could reference it from somewhere else. And in fact, if you're going to have a game with multiple of these, you might want a more wholesome, wholly inclusive system. But this will do to give you the idea of how to organize this. So in the script, I've got an interval. This is just so that we can easily set how long things take. And I reference the model and then get the parts using wait for child to make sure they load in. And then I've got two functions, a hide platform and a show platform. So we hand hide platform the platform that we want to hide, and we hand show platform the platform we want to show. Pretty straightforward like that. And then we use a while loop to set the sequence how we'd like it to go. So when we're hiding, because you were saying about changing color before it goes, so we say hide, it changes the color to red, and then we wait for the interval, and we set the transparency to 1 and set the can collide to false, so that it's now like it doesn't exist. And when we show a platform, we set the brick color back to medium stone gray, and we make it visible and can collide true. So, but this interval will run at the same time as this interval. So that's why you can change. You could change this. You could have two different intervals, or you could just manually put a number in there. That's not really a problem. I just do this for ease of editing the script later. If I was like, oh, I want it a little bit faster, I've only got to change this number in one place, and everything will still sync up nicely. Yeah, so here I'm just saying show platform 1, hide platform 3, and wait. Show platform 2, hide platform 1, and wait. Show platform 3, hide platform 2, and wait. And that'll give us that sequence. But you can play with these orders and sequences however much you like, and change them around. Change these timed. You could do this is for divided by 2, so it's half the interval, and then everything still lines up. You can still just use interval like this, and everything still works. So if I do that one, you'll see there's a half the time that before the piece disappears. Or you could even instead of half of it, you could do double it, and then we'll get a bit more of a okay. Because already you know you've got to jump off and carry on. But we could just as easily then change the interval to say 0.5, and now we've got a bit more of a challenging set of platforms. Well, I say challenging. If I can do it, I'm not the greatest at hobbies. You might want to go even faster than that. I don't know. But yeah, it's up to you. Let me know if any of this doesn't make sense. But hopefully you can see how I was approaching this.